A man went to a monk and asked him, "Please give me a formula by which I can actually control my mind. Please give me a mantra by which I can experience complete peace. I have so many thoughts going in my mind, I find it difficult to control it." So the monk said, "Well, here is the mantra. Please chant it every day. But one thing, when you are trying to chant this mantra, do not think of a red monkey." And as soon as he said this, at that moment itself, a red monkey popped up in the mind of this man. And by the time he went home, the number of those red monkeys had increased to 100. And when he sat down to try to chant, he was simply thinking about what not to think. And his mind became completely disturbed by all kinds of flying monkeys in his mind. He tried his level best to focus and concentrate. He could not. Finally, he came back to the master. And he fell at his feet and said, "I'm sorry, but whenever I try, I'm simply trying to think about that mantra, but my mind goes to the red monkeys." So the master said, that is the point which I wanted to share with you, which is that the mind can never be controlled by thinking about the negative or trying to avoid the negative. The mind can only be controlled by focusing on the positive. When we become absorbed in the positive thoughts, then no kind of distraction can affect us. निर्विकार हरिदास गंभीर आशय, बोलिते लागिला तारे होइया सदे. It is described when Haridas Thakur was subjected to some kind of distraction. Nirvikar, he would not budge. His absorption, his focus remained perfect. Gambhir Ashay, because his intention was deep. Therefore, in the practice of meditation, we have to intensify the purity of our intention. And once our intention is pure, intention is focused, then no matter what happens, we will not be distracted by any kind of negativity, whatever may be the nature of that red monkey.